our society in general. Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonadi FM, we will. Hi, I am Martin Ipansh. Say my name to define mass media and this.
Yeah, it's a result of bad construction. They didn't construct the first.
As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
No, your government, whatever.
Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifanshku Gregory Number the 4th, every Friday by 4:30 p.m. on Ebonadi 103.5 FM as Street Report unfolds
in your face.
We're
online 24/7, 24/7.
Yeah, that's right. Hepzibah is in the building. You know, mathematical formulas do apply to life. You know, those are still human laws driven from the principles of life. What is the mathematical formula for unity in diversity? You know, it is the Billy Kambili formula. Live and let live. Good evening and welcome to this wonderful spirit and knowledge-filled edition of Street Report on Ebonadi 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifanshku Gregory as number the 1st. So life is all about, you know, doing the needful, and you get where you need to get to, you know, when you do the needful. How can one live life without acknowledging the great I am that I am, life himself, Yahweh, giver of life, giver of every good thing? Remember that no mathematical formula, you know, ignores the alpha figure, and you know, when you do that in real life, you know, by acknowledging him, you know. Yeah, I once had a conversation with a pupil, you know, what I work on primary 2 or so. He complained bitterly about mathematics and how he hates the sound of it. So he asked me, brother, an age mass abatego. Say I hand now, Kezuki is some way going anywhere. Kezuki is when I because you're from, you know. Parents, as we, as like basically the get rich quick syndrome, you know, who is to blame? But as parents keep pushing their children to go and make money, you know, let's also educate them to get education first. That is, even if they are going to learn how to make money, it should be done in the academical way. Most businessmen, the successful ones, knows that the secret is record keeping. You know, you close all the loopholes through that. So most successful business people are very strict on record keeping. So if it wasn't for the records kept, you know, how can Forbes estimate the richest from the rich? You know, the records are there to speak for themselves. So sometimes you learn better when you start from, you know, the genesis, basically. Like, that's the basic. You know, I will always say, you know, for better understanding, it is required. So adaptation to life, you know, with lifestyle that matters, the lifestyle that acknowledges the Alpha and the Omega, Yahweh, Chukwu Okike Abiama, the uncountable fella, the uncountable one, the uncountable person, King of kings and Lord of lords, you know. That lifestyle that wants to please him always, that's the lifestyle that understands. And that's how one will adapt to this lifetime. Hook up with me on Facebook at Martin Ifeanyi Gregory Metal. Subscribe on YouTube at Hip Hop Came Home, basically. Our discussion today will reflect a lot on the components of unity in diversity, how people, you know, our people could stay together even with our diverse understanding. Once again, welcome to another wonderful spirit and knowledge-filled edition of Street Report on Airborne, the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifeanyi Gregory as a number the first. Stick around with this one. It is Queen Latifah with UNITY Unity. Enjoy, and I'll be right back.